Are you in pain?
My lungs are filled with blood. Father, help me.
We've taken the angel in. He's ours now.
Dr. Ernstman! Dr. Ernstman! What do you have to say about the rumors?
What rumors?
We prayed and the angel came, but some are suggesting the prayer wasn't the only reason for its arrival.
What are you implying?
Is there anything you didn't tell us?
All we did was pray.
Father, why have you forsaken me? Listen to me! Why did you cage me in this body?
Please, make it stop!
My child, all will be well.